I love this little Craftsman electric pressure washer. I want to tell you a little bit about it and things I like about it. One, super lightweight and very portable. This one is 1700 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute. I've got it hooked up. I can do a little demonstration here at the end of this video. But you got a quality gun, quality hose, generous length hose, and generous length power cord on this. But I wouldn't use this if I was going to go out like running a big surface cleaner trying to clean driveways. But if you're just looking for something handy and convenient to move around for cleaning cars, boats, soft washing a house, then it's great. The other thing I like about it, it comes with this little container that you can hook up to the gun. Call this a foam cannon. And what you can do is you can actually disconnect this part of the gun right here, and this is going to connect right there. You just snap it in place and twist it, and you can put a foam and concentrate in there to help clean your house, boat, car, things of that nature. You spray it on there, you can switch it back, put the gun back on there, and spray it off. This one comes with two different nozzles. So I've got the white 40-degree nozzle on there, but it also comes with this round nozzle that can be adjusted to spray a different cone pattern. The nozzle's stored back here.